Hey, Pre-Algebra, Mrs. Ratzberg here for day 21, April 28th. So here we're going to be using finding probability in spinners to find probability using different spinners today, which is what I just said. So sorry. So remember, when you find probability, it's all about what you're looking for divided by the total number of options. So if we look at this spinner, we can see we have 6 options. 6 different triangle areas that we can land on. So that means that the initial denominator will always be 6. So now let's think about some of the questions. So the first question, what is the probability of the spinner landing on 2? Well, how many 2's do you see on the spinner? 1. So that's 1 out of a possible 6 sections. So 1/6. That's all I would click. Oh, excuse me. Okay. What is the probability of the spinner landing on 1 or 4? So now again, we have to count all the 1's or 4's on the spinner that it could land on. So we have 1, 2 1's and 1, 4, so that's 3. Well, even if you look at the spinner, that looks, sorry, I was trying to shade, that's half. But it's also 3 out of 6, which is also 1/2. Notice how 3 over 6 is not an option here, but 1/2 is. Make sure you simplify those ratios, those fractions. Okay, and so you're just going to keep doing that, but I am going to answer numbers 7 and 8. So what is the probability of the spinner landing on 5? Do you see a 5? So can the spinner land on a 5? No. So that means that probability is 0 out of 6, or 0. All right, and then do you have an equal chance of landing on either 1 or 4? Well, let's look. Well, I see 2 1's and I see 1 4. That doesn't seem very equal. One of them has 2 sections it could land on, and the other has 1. That's not fair at all. So no, it's not an equal chance, so no. Okay, so now we're using another spinner. This one has letters on it. Exciting. And same basic idea, except instead of drop downs, you're just going to type in your answer. So what is the probability of the spinner not landing on C? So first, before we can do that, we have to know what our denominator is. So we have to count our sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to think, well, how many sections are not C? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You couldn't see where I was pointing, but. So it'd be 5 out of the total 8 sections. So that's what I'm going to type. 5, hello. Don't freak out on me, iPad. 5 out of 8. And it's simplified, so I'm good. Now let's do number 10. What is the probability of the spinner landing on A? Well, I only see exactly one A on my spinner. So that's 1 out of the total 8 sections. And that's it. And so you're just going to keep answering questions. We got kind later on and gave you more drop downs again. But just keep things, be aware. Check your answers when you're done. Make sure that you're, trying your best. Don't just, fluff through it to get through it, guys. We actually do need to learn this. If you have any questions, please let your math teacher know, and we would be more than happy to help you. We miss you. Have a great day, pre-algebra kiddos. Not kiddos. So sorry. Have a great day.